the Labour Party will get stronger without a virus. In fact, it's like you have a tumor that is a malignant tumor and you cut it off. What happens? The patient is going to survive. The Labour Party is not a new party that survived. And for those who keep saying that Peter Obi is synonymous with the Labour Party, I just gave you the background of Peter Obi. He was a member of ABGA. He was a member of PDP. 2023, Peter Obi was a PDP man. So if he came in, it was because we, the civil society groups, we marketed him. Peter Obi is the beneficiary of a well-orchestrated, well-calculated marketing plan. The campaign for Peter Obi was not Peter Obi himself. There were lots of groups. I was one of those working, directing the logistics for Peter Obi. So if we could do that for Peter Obi, we can do it for anyone. So anyone trying to sell that idea that when Peter Obi leaves the Labour Party, it's over with the Labour Party, it is a lie. Peter Obi campaigned based on the manifesto of the Labour Party, not the manifesto of his own self as Peter Obi. So if Peter Obi had been made the president of Nigeria, it will be the Labour Party manifesto that he will be carrying out. So that belief that, all hell is going to let loose when Peter Obi leaves, that is not going to happen. Nigeria is a great nation. We have people who are qualified. Let me make it point blank that Peter Obi is not the most qualified man to rule Nigeria. Let us look at his credentials. What is his qualification? What makes Peter Obi the only qualified person to rule Nigeria? Every Nigerian citizen has the right to aspire to the highest position or to the position of being the president. So Peter Obi, we agree, he has his personal ambition to become the president of Nigeria. And it is my personal opinion that Peter Obi has been blinded by his selfish ambition to be Nigeria's president, and he is not allowing that ambition, is allowing that ambition, that selfish ambition, to destroy the Labour Party. And if we let him destroy the Labour Party, it will be the third political party this man will be destroying. And that's why Abure is standing his ground. Sorry, you got away with it in ABGA, you got away with it in PDP, you are not getting away with it in the Labour Party. Our papa, our mama, our pikin must be protected. We are a party that is fighting for our father, fighting for our mothers, and fighting for our children. We've been fighting this battle. We invited him to come and be a part of us, and now that he wants to destroy us, we are giving Peter Obi and his team 48 hours to go and realign with the Abure, the chairman of the party, or he will be expelled. We, the coalition of civil society groups, are asking Julius Abure to expel Peter Obi if he doesn't fall in line with the party. Thank you very much.